Welcome back to Leaders of Tomorrow. Our next story is of a company that started with just a handful of employees in a rented space in Noida. But today it's one of India's leading manufacturers of chemical engineering products. Here's the story of Newberg Engineering. Almost 15 years ago, a restless young engineer dared to dream and turn his dreams into reality. He quit the luxury of his monthly paycheck and a stable career to start Newberg Engineering Limited along with his friend and colleague V.K. Gupta with very humble beginnings. A rented space in Noida, a handful of employees, and oozing determination of this first-generation entrepreneur have today translated into Newberg becoming a leader in manufacturing chemical engineering products.
I was a technocrat working for some organization. In fact, I was responsible for bringing in PSA-based nitrogen technology to the country. I was involved with the development of first project, and subsequently I realized that the company I was working was not very hungry for the growth and were not doing justice with the technology. So that was the time I took a decision that if the opportunity is available, I would like to work on this technology to take this technology to the new heights.
A chemical engineering company, Newberg provides end-to-end services to world-class turnkey projects in its domain. These services include technical know-how process, designs, engineering, procurement assistance, supervision of erection and commissioning in the field of chemical processing plants, petrochemical and synthetic fibers. Today, Newberg is one of India's leading manufacturers of chemical plants, oxygen and nitrogen gas generation plants and equipment.
Our company is a ISO 9001 company, and secondly we have a lot of modifications in our equipments, and we are the only people, we have installed around 400 plants in a very short spell of time. And we have other technological advantages, like we are using 4-stage filter in PSA system, and all our customers are very happy, and if any problem occurs in the plant, so definitely we will help the client even out of way also.
Over the years, Newberg has expanded its horizon and ventured into developing an in-house facility and expertise for manufacturing various pressure vessels, reactors, absorbers, columns and other process equipment. In 2007, Newberg crossed the 100 crore rupee turnover mark and is still growing from strength to strength.
We are one of the few companies in India who ventured to do a demonstration plant, and we have successfully demonstrated design, installation of that, and it is successfully operating. We have a plan to have our own technology in membrane manufacture. We have so far imported that, and God help us, in next few years we may be having our own membrane and will stop dependence on the imported technology, and rather we can offer it to rest of the world.
Today, Newberg is a 300-member team that delivers projects and equipment to over 1,000 clients, including the bigwigs of corporate India like Indian Oil, Jindal Steel, Crompton Greaves and ONGC. The company's strength lies in its dedicated team of engineers in various disciplines that handle every engineering and project management required of each client. Newberg's story doesn't end in India.
Yeah, in '96 we started this venture, and till date we have got entry in 30 countries, more than 30 countries, mainly country involved like Thailand, China, Pakistan, Iran, South Africa, Lithuania, Kenya, Brazil, Peru, Colombia, like that. So many countries we have got entry.
The company believes that its success mantra is compliance with performance on quality, time and cost, something that has resulted in constant growth of the business.
In last 3 years, we have increased our turnover by 3 times. We already crossed 100 crore milestone. Our profits are more than 10 crore. 70% of our turnover is from the export. We have made a good investment and created a good setup for manufacturing of various inputs required for our projects as well as for the nitrogen business.
For expansion, yes, we are planning to open up few more offices, not only in India, abroad also. We are looking some office in Southeast Asia, then Gulf and African countries.
Apart from its state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Noida, Newberg now also has a 62,000 square meter plant in Jagadia in Gujarat. What makes the company differ from its competitors is its ability to internally manufacture heavy fabrication of equipment. With the new plant in Gujarat, this strength is set to grow even bigger.
Yeah, Gujarat unit is a quite young unit. It's only 2 years old. And we have got planning in next 3-4 years time. We think that it should contribute not less than 70-80% to our total company output.
In fact, the company is now targeting a turnover of 1,000 crore rupees in the next 3 years. Today, Newberg clearly signifies the grit and determination of Indian entrepreneurs who are writing new stories of success and driving India's SME sector to greater heights. Well, that was Noida-based Newberg Engineering. On Leaders of Tomorrow, we'll continue to bring you stories of success and enterprise. In fact, you too could be featured on the show. To register yourself, just log on to www.leaders.economictimes.com, or you can write into us at leaders@economictimes.com. You could also call us on 0124 3058 100 or SMS Leaders to 58888 and we'll get in touch with you. So until next week, goodbye and thanks for watching.